Once upon a time, in a sunny farmyard, lived a little red hen with her 4 cheerful chicks, sunny yellow, bluey blue, rosy pink, and minty green. The little red hen was hard-working and kind. One morning she found some wheat seeds. "If I plant these, we'll have bread one day," she clucked. She went to Danny Dog. Hey friends, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create stunning 3D Pixar-style kids' story videos, perfect for launching your own faceless YouTube channel. And guess what? You'll only need 2 custom prompts to make it happen. But here's the catch. If you skip any step, the final result may not turn out as great. So stay with me till the end. And let's dive right in.
Step 1, you will have to create the complete story. So I have made 2 model prompts. So we will be taking the first prompt. First prompt I'll have to copy and then go to ChatGPT. And here you'll have to paste the complete prompt. Let me read it out for you. The prompt goes like this. You are a professional story writer. Make a short story version of. This version of is important because you cannot copy any particular story even though that is kids story. So we will have to make a version, a similar version of, then give the brief of the story. This way you will avoid getting any copyright issues on YouTube. I have given the story named The Little Red Hen. You can write anything whatever you want to create and then simply hit generate. Well, if you want this document where I have created these 2 model prompts with which we would be creating a complete storyline, complete animated story, 3D animation story, then please type prompt in the comment. I will send documents link to you. Now with that being said, let us see the story we have got. I have got my complete storyline which I am going to convert in audio. Okay, so this is basically the story narration. You can read it. If you want to make any changes, please make the changes as per your requirement. After we got this is the time to create the scenes. So what I'll do is I will copy the second prompt. This prompt will help us to generate the scenes for the story. I will simply paste the prompt here. You don't have to make any changes as such. Make 15 image prompts. You can make it 15, 20, 30, whatever you want as per the length of the story. Make 15 image prompts based on the story, which should be in, you'll have to mention Pixar 3D style or realistic style, cartoon style, whatever it is. I'm giving Pixar 3D style. Keep all the characters consistent scene by scene. This is very important. And then I have also mentioned to create video prompts. Once again, I'm saying if you are a complete amateur, please don't forget to type prompt in the comment section so that I can send this document to you, which would be absolutely handy for you to create such videos within 30 minutes. With that being said, you can see very well how the ChatGPT is making the prompts along with the video prompt for each scene. All I need to do is copy and paste it in the Word document. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Okay, now the fun part begins. I will have to generate the images. So for this, you can use Piclumen AI. This is one option. Go to Piclumen. This is a free image generator. Go to generate for free option and open an account with Gmail or email. Now go to create option. Here you will have to copy and paste the first prompt. So go to the first prompt and simply paste the prompt as it is. And then if you want, you can enhance the prompt. Now come here and select the right version. Well, I would suggest you to go for Piclumen Art V1 style. This is the best style which you should be using. You can alternatively use Flux Channel model as well, or Flux Dev model. But I'm going to go for this as I'm looking for a Pixar 3D style image. Now here you choose the right aspect ratio. I would be choosing 16:9. You will have to choose the number of images. I would be choosing 1 and then hit generate. Look here how nicely they have made this little red hen and her cute little chicks. If you like it, go ahead and download from this download button. The second best software for creating such images is definitely Leonardo AI. So I'll go to Leonardo AI, this software. Don't worry, I will be leaving all these softwares link in the description. Go to launch app and again you will have to open an account. So I am in my Leonardo AI dashboard. Leonardo AI provides 150 free credits every single day with commercial usage. I am going to paste the prompt as it is. Instead of Pixar, I will give Pixar 3D style. Okay, and here a couple of settings we will have to fix. One is from the preset, you will have to choose Phonics 1.0. Okay, this model, and cross it. And from style, you'll have to choose 3D render. Okay, now for generation mode, I am choosing ultra generation mode, but you can choose fast so that less number of credits are consumed. Select the dimension. Here again you can choose small. I am choosing large dimension and number of images 2 as because I have pro plan. If you're using free, it will be by default 4. And then remaining other things will be same. And you can just do one thing. You can if you want, you can improve the prompt, but I'm not doing that at this moment. I'm simply hitting generate, and let's see how the default image comes right from this prompt. As you can see, beautiful image is generated. I like this one. This is more detailed image and having 5 chicks, as you can see. So I'm gonna download this image. Okay, so if we do a bit of comparison study, you can see this is the image from Piclumen. Okay, brightness wise, what I feel is Leonardo AI gives more brighter image than Piclumen. Otherwise, Piclumen's images are quite detailed. Okay, so I'll go ahead and download from Piclumen as well. Now, considering the best result, I would be considering the remaining images to be made in Leonardo AI itself. So I'll go to the next prompt, copy this and paste it here as it is. Now for this prompt, I want to improve it just to check if the image comes better. So I have improved the prompt. Remaining things will be same. Just hit generate. This time I will just make 1 image, or let me go for 2 images only and hit generate. I like this one, but the chicks color has been changed. So chicks have to be of different colors. I have just added the colors here, and these type of little detailing you might have to add, because otherwise it will not look similar. See? Now it makes sense, right? So this one is looking nice. Okay, so I'll go ahead and download this. Like this, I'll just fast forward and I'll create other images as well. So let me quickly take the third image prompt. Okay, so now as you can see, all my images are ready. Now the fun part begins. We will have to put life into these beautiful images. So for this, as you can see, by my second model prompt only, I have got 2 things. One is the image prompt and the other one is the video prompt. So my video prompts per image is ready. Kling AI, which is the best according to me for converting images to video. But before I convert these images to video, I have one more things to do. Go to 11 Labs. This is a free text to speech software. And then you take your story first. Why am I saying this? To convert the story into audio first, because I need to check that all the images are ready as per the story. So I will copy this. I will paste it in 11 Labs for creating the voiceover. For this I'll go to text to speech option, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Here three things are there. One is an audio for the speakers, like for cat I need a separate voiceover. Okay, so you will have to check how many voiceovers you need. For me, as per the characters, I need one narrator, one for Little Red Hen, one for Danny Dog, one for Kimmy Cat, one for Duck, DP Duck, and one for Goosey Goose. Right? These many voiceovers I need, but all of them do not have a speech. So wherever you have a speech, there you will have to copy the speech and paste it in your voiceover in your main file and give the narrator's name. Like this speech is for DP, so give DP. Okay, now I have segregated all the speech. You see, I have taken all this speech. I will generate the speech. Here I have taken Sally's voice. If you want, you can take any other voice. Here you can play the voice and check how does it sound. Once it is generated completely, this download button at the bottom right hand side corner will be activated. So just wait for then. Now as you can see, this is activated, so simply download this. Okay, since our images are ready, I would strongly recommend you to go for Kling AI. Because of two specific reasons. Kling has amazing video motion quality, and Kling provides some free credits as well. Now I'll go to Kling dashboard and go to experience, this option, and here you will have to select video generation. Now drop the image. I will drop my first image, this one, open. Now I will be pasting the prompt here. I have already made the prompts compatible for Kling AI. So if you really want to create amazing visuals, then make sure you claim this prompt document, where you will be getting 2 model prompts which will help you to create tons and tons of such kids story or 3D animation videos within a few minutes. Please type prompt in the comment section so that I can send it across to you. With that being said, let me check the other things. See, sound effects I don't really need. Why? Because I have voiceover. So I will keep it unchecked. Then you can check 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I would like to go for 5 seconds and 1 output, and then make sure you select Kling 2.1. Okay, and then hit generate. And while it is getting generated, you can delete this and you can add another image, the second image. Okay, now as you can see, we will have to create all the videos like this in Kling AI. These videos are coming with sound effect. This is for free, so you can use Kling AI for free for some time. If you like it, you can take the subscription. With that being said, let us move to the next part, where we will be editing the final video and creating the final movie. Go to this import media option and go to this plus button and import all the videos whatever you have generated. First bring the audio on the track. So from here take the audio part and check.
I have to clean my paws.
This is my nap time.
Once upon a time in a sunny farm.
Okay, first bring the audio and then accordingly bring all the videos. Go to video and bring all the videos one by one. You will have to bring all the recordings and videos. Now the best part is you are already having the audio file attached to it. So all you need to do is just bring all the videos one by one, align them together as and how the audio is moving. Okay, the story is moving accordingly. Just align them together. We've already done the scene by scene videos like this. Just listen to the audio and bring all the videos. Once this is done, you don't really have to give any other background music. Simply go to export and simply go to export, and you'll have to export the complete file. I know you want to see the final result, but before that I have a small announcement. Please watch that and then I will show you how the complete video turned out to be. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now.
Once upon a time, in a sunny farmyard, lived a little red hen with her 4 cheerful chicks, sunny yellow, bluey blue, rosy pink, and minty green. The little red hen was hard-working and kind. One morning she found some wheat seeds. "If I plant these, we'll have bread one day," she clucked. She went to Danny Dog. "Will you help me plant the seeds?" Danny yawned.
This is my nap time.
"All right," said the hen. "I'll do it myself." She planted the seeds alone. Next day, she needed to water the field. She asked Kimmy Cat, "Can you help me water the wheat?" Kimmy stretched and said,
I have to clean my paws. Not now.
"I'll do it myself then," sighed the hen. Weeks passed and golden wheat filled the farmyard. "It's harvest time," said the hen. She asked Dippy Duck, "Will you help me harvest the wheat?"
I'm busy having breakfast.
Quacked Dippy. "Then I'll do it myself," said the hen, and she harvested all the wheat. She took the wheat to the mill and saw Goosey Goose nearby. "Will you help me grind the wheat into flour?" Goosey ignored her, so the little red hen did it alone. Finally, she baked a warm, fluffy loaf of bread. The smell brought all her friends running.
"Can we have some bread?"
they asked. The little red hen shook her head. "You didn't help me, so I will share it only with my chicks." And so she did. Her friends learned hard work brings sweet rewards.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.